Good morning.
Good morning, sir. My name is Arlene Pangan. I'm 30 years old. I'm a married. I have two kids, both boys. I'm a high school graduate. I work here in the Philippines as a domestic helper for 1 year and 8 months.
And when did you start working?
April 8 until December 15, 2004.
Okay, what year on April 8?
2003, sir.
How many were there in the family?
4, sir. We have madam, sir, and 2 children.
And can you tell me the age of the children?
My eldest is 15 and my youngest is 9.
And tell me your duties.
My duties are cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, washing and ironing clothes.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give my family, especially my children, to give a better education, and I want to build my own house.
And how old are your 2 children?
My eldest is 5 and my youngest is 2.
2, 5 and 2.
Yes, sir, 2.
And who's going to take care of your children when you work in Hong Kong?
My mother will take care of my children while I work in Hong Kong.
Are you willing to take care of newly born babies?
Yes, sir.
How about elderly and disabled persons?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared to big dogs?
Yes, sir.
And can you sing one children's song?
I love you, you love me. We are happy family with a great big hug. Kiss for me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me as your helper because I'm good and I'm hardworking.
Thank you very much, Arlene Pangan, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.